In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by clicking Menu, then scrolling down and clicking on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings, and you're going to click on the search bar. Once you're on the search bar, you're going to search Newsfeed. Now, once you have that, you can click Newsfeed when it pops up, and then you will have these options where you can click Unfollow. As you can see, I'm not following any people or pages, but if I go and just follow a random page, let's just say I like this. Now, perhaps if I go back, it'll show up. Then I can click it and unfollow. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.